Hi food lovers, let's prepare ginger rolls for our tea time. We need 100 gram of sesame seeds and 120 gram of jaggery for prepare this. The mortar is used to break the jaggery into small pieces. First, I need to dry the sesame seed under low heat. Dry it for 1 minute. Then it leave for cool. After the jaggery broken down into small pieces. Then ready the blender jar to grind the sesame seed. First put about 4 tablespoons of dried sesame seeds. Then put 2 tablespoons of broken down jaggery. Again put 4 tablespoons of sesame seed and grind. Then take about 1 inch of PVC to make the shapes. Fill the PVC with sesame seed mixture and tie it well. After tightly fill the mixture, then remove the shapes by using the handle of a spoon as this. Now ready the sesame rolls to our tea time.